A speedy lag screw and bolt alternative with immense holding power. The RSS is engineered for ease of use, performance you can rely on, and quality you can expect. The recessed star drive virtually eliminates stripping with its 6 points of contact. The RSS's built-in washer head provides incredible holding power and drawing strength to ensure a secure connection. Using case-hardened steel eliminates twisting and snapping, as well as increases the structural values of the fasteners. C-threads enlarge the hole to eliminate splitting, increase draw strength, and reduce friction for low torque load. The W-cut on the first few threads of the screw acts like a saw blade, reducing torque and making install easier. And lastly, the self-tapping zip tip allows the screw to be installed without the need for pre-drilling. The RSS is a speedy lag screw alternative with a shoulder that helps center it in pre-drilled hardware and its own hole, allowing wood to settle easily. It is self-tapping and self-countersinking, allowing for a clean finish with no sharp edges that could cause injury if hit. It's code approved with structural values and for use in treated lumber in ESR 2442.